Hello everybody, SA Apps Info here. Hope you are well. Today I will show you how to recover your hacked Facebook account without email or phone number. So this is a simple method that SA Apps Info here. So first of all, update your Facebook app from your Play Store or App Store for the better interface. And then log into other any account whatever you have, and then go to the search bar and search your account what was hacked, and then click to the three dot menu, and then here you can see option that copy link. Just copy the account link that hacked, and then go to the browser and then type my account has been hacked. And click enter, and then in the first link you can see report compressed account option. Now click on that, and you can see option that my account is compressed, so click on that. After that, click to the find account option, and then hold and paste the link, account link, and click to the search option without the digit. After that, click to the search option, and here your account will be shown, and you Facebook will choose you to add new password. After that, your account will be recovered. So that's all for today. I hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one.